Even our antenna there, chrome. Because of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? Jinx, you owe me a Coke.
That's all it needed.
Ready? I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away.
Oh my Lord.
Hey everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, talk to him about all the stuff on this beautiful, humid day.
Let me talk to him. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm going to put the phone number of Chris's head. Look, there it is. Remember it, write it down. Call us about the 65 Mustang or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time. And also, like and subscribe because it helps us help you, help us help you. And when you subscribe, hit the bell because then you get notified when we make cool stuff like this. Also, if you want full photo sets of all of these, interior, exterior, engine bay, undercarriage, go to our website, www.fastlanecars.com. You can see it all there, but for now, Chris, tell us about this amazing vehicle.
1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. It's a nice one. Boo, somebody's calling me. Boo, hold on. Yes. Thanks, Cody. Bye. Okay, so it's a 1965 Fastback Mustang. It's yellow with the black interior. It's got power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. It's got the bucket seats. It's got the really nice gauge package. And it's got, oh, Jake, this is your favorite thing.
I know, the fold-down back seat.
He loves the fold-down back seat.
I got B-roll of the fold-down back seat. And you got nice speakers back there as well.
You actually do.
And, like we had on the Duster, chrome door mirrors.
My God, he's in love with them, folks.
I love chrome door mirrors.
And this is an automatic car. It's a 3-speed. God, I love the louvers. Everything's been really nicely done in this car. The floors I know are brand new. They look beautiful underneath there. Have you seen underneath this car?
I have.
Gorgeous.
Oh
yeah, you took the pictures.
Undercarriage pictures are on the website if you want to go see them. But yeah, the vents on the quarter, where the quarter window would be, just amazing. No louvers.
I know, I don't need louvers, but I love those. I love these vents.
Yeah,
this is a pretty car.
The wheels are nice. You got big chrome bumpers on the whole thing, chrome on the gas cap. The trunk is in really good condition. It's got the plaid Mustang floor mat in it, of course.
Yeah,
bucket
this is a gorgeous
seats,
car.
Air conditioning, and we're going to need that today because it's very, very warm and humid.
I am sweating like crazy.
All right, you ready
let's
to
just start this bad boy up and go. Yes, yes, yes.
Mustangs.
Talk to me.
Especially ones that have been restored like this.
Yes.
Out of all the muscle cars, they have some of the nicest opening and closing doors.
Yes, I noticed it too.
It fits perfect and it just...
Yes, and it's solid. And it's not a 300-pound door.
Right, and you hit the door button and it almost pops out at you like it's ready to open.
Whoever did it great. They really did this car nice.
You got the air on. Oh, that feels nice.
Sorry, but I love the air conditioning.
Oh, no, we need the air conditioning today. Yeah, I mean...
Wow.
You can tell that you're in a Mustang when you're in it because, you know, you got a horse there, you got a bunch of horses there and the cassette player. Look at that. That's awesome. Lovely dashboard, no cracks or anything in it. Yeah, all the chrome and bezelments around the glove box, too.
The gauges are really nice.
Owner's manual. Guess what? It has a horse on it.
Shocking.
Look at that. Very shocking. Yeah, the gauges are nice. Very nice. And yes, we do have a horn. Everything's chrome. The shifter's chrome. The steering wheel's chrome. Well, the outside of it's black, but the inside of it's chrome.
Look at it. It's chrome.
It's chrome. I love chrome.
I do too. Oh, I love the power brakes. You can really tell.
The visors are tight.
Like a toy.
They're not droopy at all. You gotta love that. Visors. My passenger side visor and my Prelude droops, and it's very irritating. All right, here we go.
That's our guy.
Yeah, it's our Monte Carlo. Look at that big yellow hood.
Yeah.
Gotta love that.
I love this car.
And yeah, right now we have the back seats folded down, but actually, I can just reach back here and fold them back up.
I love them.
Just as easy as that. Now you have real back seats for real people. And there's actually quite a bit of legroom back there.
Shockingly.
I feel like I could fit back there, and I think that little slider, the chrome slider there, is to open the vents in the quarter window, so you can let air out.
Amen. You may need to.
You may need to. Even our antenna there, chrome, because of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? Jinx, you owe me a Coke.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, it drives nice.
Oh, the air is cold. I like that.
I do too. I love cold air. I love power steering. I love power brakes. I love a horn.
And I'm looking at the mirror here, and it says day, and you can flip it to night.
Day, man.
I'm not sure what that does, but I'm sure it does something.
It flips it up.
Changes the angle.
Yep.
So you don't get headlights in your eyes.
Flashes them right back at them, those dirty rats.
Nice.
Boy, it's a nice running car.
This is nice. It has cranky windows.
They're not mad. They
No.
just crank up and down.
They just crank up and down. I'm gonna roll mine up. Keep all this air inside.
Yeah, might as well.
You wanna roll yours up?
It's a little loud.
Just a little bit. There's some wind noise. And it's got a chrome strip on top of the window too.
That's a Mustang thing.
Because of course it does. I'm gonna turn the air down just a tad. Oh, it's nice.
It is.
Nice and quiet with the windows up. The carpet, again, looks kind of newish. It's in very good condition. If it's not, you got rubber floor mats down here.
Got
awesome,
man. It's a nice car.
Oh, yeah, it is. I wonder, oh, this radio's new. It's got an aux button on it.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's digital.
You know how much he loves digital, ladies and gentlemen.
That's amazing. That sounds
great.
awesome.
Those speakers back there are nice.
I didn't know it had a digital radio.
You gotta love a digital radio.
And when it works, and you have nice speakers. Awesome.
So it's a 65 Mustang with all the new accoutrements.
Yes. It still drives like a 65 Mustang, which is to say awesome.
It does drive
It's
awesome.
very comfortable. The 3-speed shifts like butter.
But
289 has plenty of power and also just is a very smooth engine. It's nice to cruise around.
this is another great car.
Oh, yeah. We've driven 2 Peaches today.
We have. Completely different cars, but very well done.
Yeah,
I love
very
when
well
people
done.
take their time and do it right.
It does make it a much nicer experience.
Oh, it does.
What is that that's driving at us?
I saw him yesterday. Odd.
It's like a van, but only half a van at the same
Is he
time.
carrying stuff on the other side? Oh, he can pull
Oh,
things.
it's like a flatbed.
It's like a day cab thingy.
Yeah, that was weird. All right, we're almost up to our stop sign.
You know what that means?
A little bit of a bean test.
A wee bit.
A wee bit.
For somebody in front of us, it kind of takes the fun out of it.
Yeah, that's all right.
We're not in a black Corvette that looks like the Batman car.
No, we're not. All right.
Hey, it's going.
Got a peppy 289. You wouldn't happen to be hip to the rear gear ratio in this thing, would you?
We think it's a highway gears, 200s. It's an open wheel too.
Some a little low?
Yeah, a little low.
Good for cruising.
It's very good for
Good
cruising.
for 3 speeds, really.
It's actually built for a 3-speed.
Yeah.
In my humble opinion.
But I mean, this feels like, as comfortable as I am right now, I would drive this a few hours just to go to a car show. And it would be one of the best looking things there because this paint's really nice.
The paint is almost flawless. I think there might be 1 or 2 little things, but
Yeah.
you're gonna do it in here?
I'll do it on the road again.
Yeah,
Might as
get
well.
up there.
We'll go up a little further. But I mean,
That is
it's
a
not
nice
an
car.
obnoxious yellow either. It's kind of like the
No.
pale yellow from the 60s that they had, which I just think is very classy.
It's a classic
Again,
car.
with the black interior and all this chrome, I feel like I'm bathed in luxury right now.
And it is a very comfortable car, and they've done it well.
Oh yeah.
Nothing's hanging down.
Ready for flybys?
You're darn right I am. Oh, feel these door handles.
I know, they're perfect.
Sorry, I like the door handles. Sounds good. It's a pretty car. It's a 65 Mustang Fastback. You can't beat that. Nice. Moving good. It needed that run. You know, pretty car. It's been sitting for a minute. Needs a run. That's all it needed.
And stop. This thing's got some pep when you put it to the floor.
It needed that, didn't it?
Oh, it did need
Because it had a little puff of smoke when you left the first time. On the second flyby, nothing.
Just cleared it
sounded
out.
great. It just, I think it needed to be run.
I mean, it's a, how old is this thing?
1965.
35 to 50, 59 years. So, I
Almost
mean,
60.
once I'm 59, I'm probably going to need, you know, some smoke puffed out of me too. But,
Yeah,
you know, that's
I'm
just
52.
the way it is.
I need it all the time.
But, I mean, even with the rear gears being pretty low and the 3-speed, like, this is plenty fast to keep up with traffic or even past traffic.
Sounds
and
great.
it looks a lot better than anything else on the road.
It does. Let's go back.
Let's go back.